Mm.
Nice one, we got Alpha. Objective clear. Hey, brother, check in. I'm up. Shit,
I can hear you shooting.
Hey, tickle toes. Can I tickle your toes?
Who did? I know what you did. I know what you did, Dreadnought. I know. God.
What?
Yeah, he's fixing Daisy. Yeah, I know. It really
Tickle
is.
toes. Tickle toes.
What you got to say to him, man? Oh, I'll throw one on it. Jeez. Is it? Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't know why. Should I kill him? Famous to kill him. You can't hit that fast.
I'm sorry, brother. I'm
Don't lie to
so
me.
sorry, brother. Where'd you guys come from?
We just spawned in.
You deserve that. Who the fuck? What does Taylor do? He just makes clothes. Who the fuck's his Taylor? Who the? Oh, oh! I thought I said who the fuck is Taylor? You like his Taylor? Who the fuck makes his clothes? How do you know he gets his clothes tailored? Nobody gets clothes tailored anymore. What shit? That's fucking crazy. I was like, what? What are you talking about? You're insane. I'll upload a video in like 15-20 minutes now.
Okay, we're taking Charlie now.
I can't play a game when I upload it, but it uploads fast as shit.
Over there.
That man was angry. Man is angry. Why does he keep? Why does he gotta keep melee when he's shooting? That pirate's in that game. Oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. He said, fine, little guy. Gotcha. He crouched down to meet you. That's perfect. Glorious. Most kills. How the fuck did I get the most kills? I died like way early. Yeah.
On the ground now! Let's do this! Got it! Asshole! Sit down! Stay alert! Here we go! Here we go! Get down on the ground!
Yeah.
Molotov out!
Load and go for it. What was he shooting at? I'll put that Incursion Red River some more. Gave it a throw. Besides the audio, it's actually pretty decent now. It plays just like Tarkov, but the AI is fucking crazy. Like, where the fuck you're at? It's very nice. I thought I shot you. I thought I shot you. That guy teleported behind him and I shot it and I was like, well. Oh, I thought you was over there.
Those guys.
I heard some guy say, you're buying time, man. He started running, but what the fuck? Like, nobody's buying time, but okay. It's not gonna waste ammo on him. He's not fucking with me, I ain't gonna fuck with him. We good.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Tickle toes.
Damn, that guy blew up.
Let me lick your feet.
I should kill him. I thought about it. They both accomplished the same goals, though. They both tickle. How the fuck did I live when I was throwing them? I missed. I got you, man, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to get... Yeah. I think I got it. Maybe not. Yeah, I got it. Cool. What the shit? The fucking guys were doing circles around me. I'm in a much better mood now that I have a little bit of weed and money in my pocket again. But fuck it. Like, that's a weird feeling not being in work. It's odd. I've been at work for like the last 15 years.
Get down! You're in trouble now, asshole! Reloading!
Yep. That guy was trying to shoot him. I went, I right in the fucking face. And he was like, target down. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. No, I was actually trying to help you there.
Bro, I can't! Cover me! I'm reloading!
Other guy behind you, so I saved you. We're gonna get shot or stabbed. Motherfucker, what? I had 300 HP. One. Oh, two, I guess. It's two. But it said 300. It didn't say it go down any. Grab my gun. It might be about half empty. It's in that room up to the right. They can get. I know. On F. Oh, that would be perfect. But I ain't seen too many of those. It's empty.
I'm sorry to little toes.
Sorry.
Different guy said sorry. Let me try somebody else. Oh. Alright, we're on it now this time. Probably. That's what I got. Exactly what I got.
Next to a
I
guy.
got a pistol though. What'd he say? I shot him. How's on? Go for it. Kill me.
You should run!
Kill him. Kill him. My Brock's chat is stuck on.
If we could use one. Yeah.
Help, I got a juggernaut chasing me.
I don't know why. Seen that, yeah. I think I got him.
Everyone, hey, what's your
I don't think I got ammo.
Good to go. Come on in, Jake. Yeah, good to go. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, it's not turning off.
I could barely hear you, man. What did I say? What you trying to cut off?
Yeah, I don't really care though. Everybody can listen to my beautiful voice. Tickle toes. Oh, yeah, that's a bummer.
Yeah.
Tickle toes. Tickle toes. Where do I go? I'm lost. So.
A little bit
No,
more
I
north
got it. I'll
down the
be there
road.
on time.
Oh, alright, okay, game. Okay.
I'm lost.
My Discord went weird. Leave me alone. Now it won't go away.
No! 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 Get the fuck away from me! No!
I don't know if he's getting killed or having a good time.
I need backup!
I don't think he's having a good time. Shit's getting real over there. He didn't help you. What the hell are we doing over here? Oh. I want him to know we don't give a shit about him dying. Exactly. And me. Yeah. No, I shot him. And he shot me. No, right. Oh. Down this road here, yeah. Look at those. Fuck him. Go and fetch mag again when I got a second. This is gonna get hectic, I think. I do. Oh, one behind us too. I'm stuck.
Alright, I'm in Foxtrot. Gonna use the Molotov.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to throw another mag in. Fuck it. Fire's going out. Fuck that! I died fast as shit. Gotta close Discord right quick. Yeah, my Discord went all weird there. Good shit though.
Got to kill. Okay, let's do it. Get over there. Got it. Fuck yeah, here we go. Hey, that's a counterattack. Hey, I'm gonna load up. They come. Okay.
Go right here, guys. Careful.
God damn. That fucking sharks.
Shit. I gotta reload though, so careful. Oh, give me a second. I'll cut it on. Yeah, trying to fuck with you. Fair enough. Smart.
I seem to be in a predicament. I fell off the building.
Damn. I'm gonna get below you. And we got close. That's fine. Make them come if they want to. They might get me. What the fuck? Okay. A lot of flashes and shit going on here. Reloading now. Be a big guy pretty soon. Thank you. That's good shit. Where? Ah, I see. GG.
Yay.
I'm so happy about it. Yeah, 106 kills.